I'm a fire in my laser!
Hi guys, back with you, FFK here, and today we are with my cousin Aisha.
Hi guys!
And we have the same t-shirt and it says how to floss.
Hey guys!
And we're gonna unbox some stickers and some hair goals. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our videos. And this is their first time to look like this in real life. And
guys, please see the Fortnite video.
yeah, because it's so funny.
Yeah, it has one. So let's unbox this.
Yeah. Oh my god. What did I get? Ooh. Ah.
Stickers. Oh, that's so nice. Wait, what?
They're cards.
Wait.
They're cards.
Something's wrong with this. There's nothing here.
Because they're cards. Maybe because they're cards.
Who did you get? Guys, I got Purple Queen.
I got VR Cutie.
Yeah, and I got Spot.
And I got the little sisters and the big sisters. And I got Spice.
Spider's fun.
And I had VR Cutie.
And they have some of the little sisters.
Yeah, and some of the big sisters.
So we just opened the sticker.
And I got this thingy, but I don't know what
I think this is Bonbon.
Yeah, hey, we got the same.
Okay, so we just opened the sticker. Now we're gonna open.
I'm so happy.
I just really want to get splatter, guys.
And I really want to get Daring Diva, so let's get started.
Yeah, let's put this here.
Let's put the cards here.
So you can see, guys.
Put the
You can
cards
see really good. So excited.
like this. And the cards like this.
Don't throw them.
Let's get started. Oh my god.
I got it.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I hope I got.
Oh my god.
I think Farah really wants to get
Daring Diva.
And I really want to get splatters.
Yeah.
And I see splatters her.
Oh my god, I can't open this one.
I hope I don't get duplicate.
Do you see the other video, the hair goals?
Yeah.
I can't.
I
So
hope I don't want to get ear girls that.
I wish I don't have a duplicate like Witchy Baby.
And guys, Farah told you the other video when she opened the hair rolls.
Yeah, I was so clumsy. Ooh.
He told you guys that I got scared girl, but I don't want to get her again, so I don't want to get her.
Oh my god.
Get splattered.
Oh my goodness. Oh my god. She looks so adorable.
I hope you see my guys.
Splatters. Here's splatters here. Splatters. Oh my god.
If I got her, I have to shout. I just can't. I think we're gonna.
If I got Daring Diva, I'll have to shout. I just don't know.
If we got the same, we have to switch. I got the clue is Pix hair.
Pixie hair.
Wait. Maybe that's.
Splatters.
Yeah, because she has short hair. There's extensions, and this is the mirror, guys.
I have to open it quickly. I'm so excited.
So there's the doll. I'm not gonna open her now.
Yeah. That's what all YouTubers do.
Okay. Now I got this. So we're gonna
Come on.
open the one I really wanted. So I'm gonna open that.
Oh my god.
I'm so scared. I'm really gonna cry if I got her.
I'm a fire in my laser!
You got her.
I got splattered! I got her outfit, guys. No way. Okay, I hope she gets Darren D. But it's okay if you don't get her. That's not a. Please don't cry. Don't open it now because I didn't.
Yeah. Okay, just gonna do.
There's her shoes, the boots.
First,
I want the boots.
the necklace.
Oh, what you gonna get? I hope you get a necklace. She got Daring Diva. We got the one we wanted. How?
I don't know.
And I got her bottle.
I thought I got Maddie. What did I get her?
This is the best day ever, guys.
Yeah, I know.
Now we're gonna get this.
How to get this outfit off?
That's a swimming suit, guys.
Oh my god, this is so.
How did we get the one we wanted, guys?
I don't know. I'm just so happy.
This is our best day ever, guys.
I don't know. I'm just so happy.
Don't yell, I know. Here's your swimming suit.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
I have to see this doll. She is so cute. It's flowers.
Oh my god.
We're so happy.
We're so lucky that we
I got her headband.
Oh my god, that's so cute.
I have it. Oh, it's like a robot. I totally got her.
Yeah. See her. First, I have to.
Oh no, I have to dress her, guys. So we're gonna dress her up and
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
she got the one she wanted.
Oh my god.
We got all of them we wanted.
1, 2, 3. She looks so cute.
Show them here.
Oh my god. I just have to shout.
How did we get the one?
I thought we got Batty when we got her.
No, because yeah, this is scary.
Yeah, I was so afraid, but now I'm so happy. Oh my god.
Okay, let me dress her up. Was her cute headband? Oh, that's so cute.
How did we got the one that we wanted? How? We didn't switch and we
Yeah, so guys, this is Splatter. She looks so adorable that I have to play with her. OMG, if our moms know, she'll say how. So there is Darren
There's a
here.
necklace.
There's Splatters.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Wait, I didn't get the brush. I forgot to open the brush so I can brush.
I got the brush. Oh my god, oh my god. She looks so cute.
You didn't get her shoes.
Yeah, wait, let me just unbox her shoes.
So there's her brush, guys. This is the best day. Like, how we got the one. I say I really want Splatter because she has rainbow hair. Doesn't need.
Oh my god, oh my god. When I got the necklace, I was about to cry.
Guys, look at her bottle. Look at her bottle.
It's like
so
3 see-through.
Guys, this is so cool that we got the one we wanted. And I can brush her hair if her hair doesn't. Finally, we got one of we wanted, guys.
Oh my god.
And she color changed. They color changed. We're gonna try them later. So excited. My mom will like, what? So guys, we'll put her bottle. You show them the review.
Oh my.
I got her! Guys, why do you say Splatter's weird? That thing in her face, she just paints, and then get them.
Look at her, she's so cute.
Look, oh wait, show them. Oh, she looks so cute, guys.
Oh my god.
So
This is the end of this video. Like, subscribe, and share to our videos. And don't forget to follow me Instagram and Facebook. Bye.
Bye.